Welcome to Mastering Homemade Pasta, the ultimate guide to perfect dough and delectable sauces. In this video, we will take you through the step-by-step process of creating the perfect homemade pasta. From preparing the dough to crafting delicious sauces to complement your creations. So, let's dive right in. To start, you'll need some simple ingredients: all-purpose flour, eggs, olive oil, and a pinch of salt. Begin by pouring your flour onto a clean, flat surface, forming a well in the center. Crack your eggs into the well, add a drizzle of olive oil, and a pinch of salt. Now, using a fork, slowly whisk the eggs, gradually incorporating the flour until it forms a sticky dough. Once the dough comes together, use your hands to knead it for about 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. If it feels too dry, add a touch of water. If it's too sticky, add a sprinkle of flour. Next, cover the dough with a clean cloth and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. This will allow the gluten to relax and make it easier to roll out. Once rested, divide the dough into smaller portions and start rolling them out using a pasta machine or a rolling pin until thin and flexible. For cutting the pasta, you can choose from a variety of shapes like tagliatelle, fettuccine, or ravioli. Don't be afraid to get creative. Dust your freshly cut pasta with flour to prevent sticking and separate the strands if needed. Now, let's move on to the sauces. There are endless possibilities when it comes to pairing pasta with delectable sauces. Classic options include tomato-based marinara, creamy Alfredo, or rich bolognese. Don't forget to season your sauces with herbs and spices to add depth and flavor. To cook your pasta, bring a pot of salted water to a rolling boil. Add your fresh pasta and cook until al dente, usually just a few minutes. Remember, fresh pasta cooks much faster than dry. Once cooked, drain the pasta, reserving a small amount of pasta water. Toss the pasta in your chosen sauce, adding a splash of the reserved water to help marry the flavors together. And voila! You've mastered the art of homemade pasta, from dough to sauces. Experiment with different flavors, textures, and combinations, and soon you'll become a pasta maestro. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting recipes and culinary tips. Buon appetito!